Hi everyone, my name is Robin Lewis and we are about to unbox these, the IsoTunes free earbuds. Pretty excited about this one. Okay, so opening up the box, I get a manual, a lot of information on the inside about how to use the buds, how to fit them. That's great, straight into it. And then, of course, the two buds themselves. So they've got some foam tips installed already. Now the foam tips, those are the ones that are going to give you the high noise reduction rating. There's also silicone tips. Those might be more comfortable, but you're not going to get that same reduction in volume. I've also got a charging case, very similar to most wireless earbuds out there. Pop them into the case, close it up, and it starts charging. I've got some Apple AirPods Pro, which I'm probably going to be comparing these to the whole time. Hopefully that's not going to be unfair. We'll see how this goes. And then you've got a charging cable as well. Some of the information on the back, it's a 22 noise reduction rate. Again, that's only using the foam tips. The earbuds themselves last 7 hours, and the charging case has an additional 14 hours. So plug it into the wall, do a single charge, and you get 21 hours. It uses Bluetooth 5, it's sweat, dust, and water resistant, and it's OSHA compliant. So in my old age, when I go deaf, I know who to blame. I'm gonna try them on. So as per the fitting instructions, which are inside the box, you squeeze the foam tips, push them in, and as they sit in your ear, you can feel them expanding. And everything just goes very, very quiet. All of the road noise gone, the air conditioner gone. That's quite impressive. That's as far as we're going to get in this video. It was just to show you guys what's in the box and what to expect. From here, I'm going to do a project video where I actually use them in a workshop environment and put them through their paces. And then after that, I'm going to do a thoughts and impressions video. So keep an eye out for those two videos after this. They will be coming out soon. So once again, big thank you to TimCon for sending these. If you are interested in these IsoTunes free or any IsoTunes product, you can head over to their website or check them out in store. My name is Robin Lewis. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.